At this stage, we'd like to start a run using the cartridge. I'll be using an S1 cartridge. S1 cartridge is for high resolution. And as you can see, it comes in a blister pack. We call it a clamshell blister pack like this. And basically you hold the cartridge this way, and then you open, snap. You don't want to open it like this, so it just basically falls. And we support it with two tapes. You remove the tape which is holding the cartridge to the box, tape it in here, and slowly grab the cartridge and slide it off of the protective gel. The actual blister, as you can see, there is a protective soft gel in there which protects the tip of the capillary which is protruding out of the electrode. And then there is one more tape, we put it on the top to protect the purge port. Remove the tape. Put the blister on aside. And at this stage you can load the cartridge in the instrument. The cartridge only gets loaded in the instrument one way. You can see there's a line in here, and as I put it in the instrument, if I rotate it to the other side, it doesn't go. So when it's facing toward the instrument, it will basically go in. Just press it in, close the door. We call this a cartridge door. And then now at this stage we are ready to load the buffer tray. So first, before we load the buffer tray, we will engage the cartridge by pressing the latch. So the latch basically brings in the pneumatical, electrical and optical connections to the cartridge, and it changes the color showing the cartridge has been engaged with the instrument. At this stage we're ready to load the buffer tray. So I'm going to do a changed buffer tray to bring in the buffer tray to the front position. So it moves the tray to the front position of the instrument. You open the door, the sample door, and we usually recommend to grab this buffer tray with your left hand because it's easier to load it in the instrument. Buffer tray only goes in one way. If you reverse, it will not go inside the troughs because the troughs in the buffer tray are larger for the larger buffer troughs. So it goes inside the instrument. You close the drawer. At this stage, you will park the buffer tray, which basically moving the buffer tray toward the tip of the cartridge capillary and put it in the park position. The park position is a DI water and basically protects the tip of the capillary.